Hey everybody, thanks for watching. My name is Brian and this is the Little Improvements DIY YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk to you about 5 things that my wife and I did to upgrade and improve the look and feel of our 1964 dated home. Some of these things are going to be a little more expensive than others, and most of them you are going to be able to do yourself with just a little bit of confidence and lots of DIY videos you can find here on the internet. Let's go ahead and start with number 1, and that is outlets, switches, and the plates, little trim that go around all of your outlets and switches. I'm not an electrician, so there's tons and tons of resources out there to go ahead and do this yourself. Just make sure you do it safely, turn off the power, and make sure you get yourself a little non-contact voltmeter to make sure that you're double checking those wires that they are not turned on. But this is going to be something that's going to immediately boost the new look in your home. I know you know what I'm talking about. You've got all these outlets. Maybe they're faded, maybe they're discolored, or you have different plates throughout the house. If you go ahead and do all brand new switches and outlets and plates, it's going to immediately give your home a new look. Number 2 is going to be lighting. Go ahead and get rid of all of those dated, nasty light fixtures. I know you know what I'm talking about, and get yourself some of those thin LED high efficiency light bulbs. Heck, you can get a bunch of them and you can add them all over your home. Make sure you get a consistent color tint though, and that's going to give your house that consistent look. Lighting can make your home look so much better, and these new LED lights, they are very affordable and very easy to install. Number 3 is going to be wall texture and paint. I know, wall texture, it sounds terrible. Hey, I've got a really good video on that and I'll link it in the description. But the idea here is to just make your home look consistent and fresh. You can give your home a facelift, a good fresh new look with all new wall texture and paint. Yes, it's going to be a lot of work. Yes, it's going to be hard work, but I promise there's nothing on this list that will make your home look more modern than this. Number 4 is going to be doors and hardware, or just hardware if you're not ready to put doors in. Doors are going to cost a lot of money. I recommend going pre-hung. There's tons of videos online that are going to help you install those pre-hung doors, but consistent door look in the house is going to make your home look extremely modern and really nice. If you're not going to do doors and you're just going to do hardware, that's okay too. Make it consistent throughout the home, and that's going to give your home a nice new look. Number 5 is probably the most expensive, might be the most labor intensive too. That's probably a toss up between this and all the walls, but it's going to be flooring. There's lots of flooring options. We chose to do a vinyl plank because we have kids, because it's wear and tear proof, and it's really easy to put in. Just takes a lot of effort, but when you're done, your home's going to look incredible. I'm going to add another one too. So we're going to do 5 plus 1. And that is when you're done with all of these wonderful things, finish out your home with beautiful baseboard, trim, casing around your doors and windows. That's just going to seal everything up and make it look extra, extra good. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I'm grateful you came here today. Please hit subscribe and come back for future videos. We appreciate you as always. Take care and have a great day.